Good morning class. As we have done till exercise 12, that is exponents and powers. Now I am going to start our next chapter, that is chapter 13, and chapter 13, that is direct and inverse proportion. Inverse proportion. So now the first we have to know that what is direct proportion. If there are two quantities, say x and y, and if x is increased, then y is also increased, and if x is decreased, and then y is also decreased, then x and y both having direct proportion. This implies that the ratio of x and y is always constant, that is k, can be k, and if x and y are directly proportional, then x1 upon y1 is equals to x2 upon y2 is equals to x3 upon y3 is equals to, and so on. Then the ratio of x1 upon y1, the value of x, the first value of x and the first value of y, the ratio of the these two quantities are equal to the ratio of the second quantity of the x and y, and it is always have a constant value. Okay, so note it down. Now I am going to solve the first example of exercise 13.1. Example first. So the example is the cost of 5 meter of particular quality of cloth is 210 rupees. Then we have to tabulate the cost of 2, 4, 10 and 13 meters of cloth of the same type. Okay, so let the length of cloth be x and its cost be rupees y. So now length of cloth in meters denoted with x and cost in rupees denoted with y. So first we have to find for 2 meter cloth the cost, and then 2, 4 and 10 and 13. 10 and 13, and it is given 210 rupees the cost of 5 meters cloth. And now here let it y1, it is y2, y3 and y4. Let the cost of 2 meter, 4 meter, 10 meter and 13 meter cloth be rupees y1, rupees y2, rupees y3 and rupees y4 respectively. As we know that the length is increased, so the cost of cloth is also increased. So clearly here is length is directly proportional to the cost of cloth. Therefore, 2 upon y1 is equals to 4 upon y2 is equals to 5 upon 210 is equals to 10 upon y3 is equals to 13 upon y4. So first note it down, then I will solve the remaining part. Now I am going to solve the remaining part. Now we take two values from the from above. 2 upon y1 is equals to 5 upon 210. Then we have the value of y1 as 2 into 210 upon 5, that is 42. So y1 will be rupees 84, and 4 upon y2 is equals to 5 upon 210. As the ratio of the two quantities is always constant, so we take the two quantities here. y2 will be 210 into 4 upon 5, that is 42. So y2 will be 168, and 10 upon y3 is equals to 5 upon 210. Then y3 will be 210 into 10 upon 5, that is 42 times, will be 420 rupees. And 13 upon y4 will be 210 upon 5. So y4 will be 5. It will be 5 upon 210. Sorry. So 13 into 210 upon 5, that is 42. So y4 will be rupees 546 rupees. So the final answer is the cost of 2 meter, 4 meter, 10 meter and 13 meter cloths is rupees 84, rupees 168, rupees 420 and rupees 546 respectively. Note it down. Now I am going to explain the next example orally. Example 2, it is same as this example. So an electric pole 14 meters high cast a shadow of 10 meters. Find the height of the tree that cast a shadow of 15 meters under similar condition. Okay, so here we let the height of the tree be x meter, and so we all know that if the height of any object is larger, then it casts shadow more than it casts shadow according to its height. It means it can cast a shadow larger. Okay, so here we make a table here, height of the object in meters and length of the shadow in meters. So it is in directly proportional height with the shadow, casting shadow. So 14 upon 10 is equals to x upon 15. Then we have the value of x as 21. So the height of the tree is 21 meters. Okay. Then example third. If the weight of 12 sheets of thick paper is 40 grams, how many sheets of the same paper would weigh 2 whole 1 by 2 kilograms? So 2 whole 1 by 2 kilograms is equals to 2500 grams. So, and we all know that more the number of sheet, more its weight. Okay, जितना ज़्यादा सीट उतना ज़्यादा उसका weight होगा. So it is in always in directly proportional. So number of seat we make table here, number of seat and weight of the seats. Okay, so we all know that here is a directly proportional relation. So 12 upon 40 is equals to x upon 2500. So x will be 750. So the number of total seat is 750. Now example number example number 4. A train is moving at a uniform speed, that is 75 km per hour, and first, how far will it travel in 20 minutes? How much distance it can cover in 20 minutes? And find the time required to cover a distance of 250 km. So how much time it is required for covering the distance of 250 km? So as it is clear that the speed of the train is uniform. So we all know that more the time, more the distance covered by the train. Okay, so it is always in directly proportional relation. So 75 upon 16 is equals to x upon 20. So here the value of x is 25 kilometer. So train will cover 25 kilometers in 20 minutes. And how much time it will take to cover 250 kilometers? So 750 upon 60 is equals to 250 upon y. So y is equals to 200 minutes or 3 whole 1 by 3 minutes or 3 hours 20 minutes. Okay, now example number 5. As you all can see here, the scale of a map is given as 1 is to 3 crore, and the distance on the distance of 2 cities on the map is 4 centimeter only. So we find here how much distance in actual. So as we all know that the distance of on the map be x centimeter and the actual distance be y centimeter, then 1 upon 3 crore is equals to x upon y, and we all know that the distance on the map is 4 centimeters. So here we find the value of y as 12 crore, and when we convert it in kilometer, then we have the value of y as 1200 kilometers. So in actual the distance is 1200 kilometers between the 2 cities. Okay, so class, your homework is exercise 13.1. You have to do it 13.1, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the class. Okay class, thank you so much.